Our today's question is from factorization of polynomials. The question is factorize completely using factor theorem. 2x cube minus x square minus 13x minus 6. If you have seen all the previous year board exams paper of class 10 ICSE, every year this variety of question has come. See, in this is a polynomial given and the highest power of the variable, that is the degree of this polynomial, is 3. Since the degree is 3, so naturally we know that there will be how many factors? There will be 3 factors. So I need to find out the factors of this using factor theorem and remainder theorem. So what we know, so we'll consider let this is the px, is the polynomial. Px is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 13x minus 6. Now what I'll do, we know that in place of this x, if I replace by any value, PAC, then that gives me the remainder of the polynomial. That is the remainder theorem states. Remainder theorem says that if you replace x by a value called a, then whatever will come, that is the remainder of this polynomial. So for this particular this polynomial, and since it is told factorize completely, so that remainder must come 0, then only it will become a factor. So I need to check that for which value of a this PA becomes equals to 0. So what I'll do, by hit and trial method, I'll keep on trying. I'll substitute different values of x and I'll try to check that for which value it is coming 0. So in my rough work, I'll try say P1. How much is P1? If I put in place of x 1, so 2 into 1 cube is 2 minus 1 square is 1, minus 13 into 1, minus 13, minus 6. So this becomes 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 16, so minus 13, minus 14, minus 20, it is minus 18. So this is not equal to 0. So I'll try P minus 1. If I try P minus 1, so in place of x, minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube will give me minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. X minus 1 whole square is plus 1 into minus 1. X is minus 1 into minus 13. So it is plus 13, minus 6. So this will become minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. Minus 9 plus this is plus 4, which is also not equal to 0. So now we'll check. So you can keep on trying. So now I'm trying to check with minus 2. If I check with minus 2, what I'm getting? X minus 2 whole cube. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus 8 into 2. So that is minus 16. Minus 2 square is plus 4. Plus 4 into minus. So minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 13 is plus 26. Plus 26. Minus 6. So this minus 16 minus 4 minus 20 minus 6 is minus 26. Minus 26 plus 26. That is 0. So what I got that for P minus 2, this value has become 0. So we can say P minus 2 is equal to 0. So if for whichever value this will come 0, so we can say that x minus a is a factor of that. X minus a is a factor. So if x minus a is a factor, so my a is minus 2. So therefore I can say x plus 2 is a factor of px. So I got one of the factor. So hope you have understood that first the polynomial is given by trial method, hit and trial. I'll keep on substituting different values of 1. You check with 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. Keep on, and I'm sure within that you will get. Whichever value you will get is equal to 0. X minus that value will be a factor. So we got this. Now what we'll do, we'll go for long division of this. X plus 2, I'll divide this 2x cube minus x square minus 13x minus 6. We'll divide this. See, the division rule, if you can remember, we will not look into the entire value. We will not look into all the terms of the polynomial. Only we will look into the first term and the first term here. From the dividend, I look only the first term. From the divisor, I will look at the first term of that divisor is x. Now what should I multiply with x so that I can get plus 2x cube? If I multiply 2x square, 2x square into x will give me 2x cube. So 2x square into x, that will give me 2x cube. 2x square into 2, that will give me plus 4x square. I'll write below this. Now both are same sign, so I'll change the sign. I'm subtracting. So this is plus, so this will become minus. This is plus, this will become minus. This cancels. Minus x square, now this is also minus 4x square. So this becomes minus 5x square. Minus 13x I'll bring down. Now with what should I multiply so that I can get minus 5x square? With x, what should I multiply so that I can get minus 5x square? If I multiply by minus 5x into x, that will give me minus 5x square. Minus 5x into 2 plus 2, that will give me minus 10x. So minus 10x. Both are same sign. I'll change the sign. This will be plus, this will be plus. So minus 5x square plus 5x square cancels. Minus 13x plus 10x, that will give me minus 3x. I'll bring minus 6 down. This 6 is brought down. Now what should I multiply with x to get minus 3x? I should multiply minus 3. Minus 3 into x will give me minus 3x. Minus 3 into 2, that will give me minus 6. So I'll change the sign. This will be plus, this will be plus. So this cancels, this cancels. So I got the other factor. So what we get? So therefore we get px is equal to this into this. X plus 2 into 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So this is linear and this is quadratic. So I'll go for middle term factorization. So this will be equals to x plus 2. I'll factorize this one by middle term. 2x square into minus 3. That is giving me minus 6. So this factor will be 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. Minus 6x plus x will give me minus 5x, and minus 6x into x will give me minus 6x square. Minus 3 into 2x square is minus 6x square. So this is x plus 2. From the first two term I can take 2x common, so I'm left out with x minus 3. From this one I can take 1 common, so I'm left out with x minus 3. So I got both the factors same. So if I take common, x plus 2 into x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So that is my answer. So this was the question. This factorized completely. So we got the factors, the 3 factors, x plus 2, x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. It's a very important type of class 10 ICSE. Hope you have followed this technique and especially note the division which you have done it in the lower classes. Just have a practice of these divisions. Always remember, do not look into the entire part of it. Only look at the first term of either of the divisor and the dividend. Then only your division will be completed.